What's up, everyone? I'm Dave, the owner of Off Road Nomads.
And I'm Phil, the shop manager at Off Road Nomads.
And welcome to Nomad Nation. Nomad Nation is an off-road enthusiast channel founded by off-roaders for off-roaders. What began as a group of friends out on the trails has morphed into a movement of off-roaders of all skill levels from across the nation.
So what kind of videos do we expect to have this year, Dave?
Well, Phil, we're going to have videos of all kinds. We're going to have builds, we're going to have projects, we're going to have some how-to videos, anything and everything related to off-road.
Sounds like a good year.
As members of this amazing off-road community, we encourage everyone, both online and off-road, to do the right thing, even when the wrong thing is not against the rules.
For an example, Dave, even though the county road's legal to be on when it's muddy, we need to respect the land we're on and not give us off-roaders a bad name.
That's exactly right. And same can be said for being online. When somebody asks a question on an off-road forum or social media, let's be respectful of each other. Answer their question, no matter how silly you might think it is. We all started somewhere.
We just need to treat each and every off-roader with respect. No matter what your budget is, no matter what you're driving, no matter how much experience level you got, we were all beginners at one point in time.
The main thing is we just want to contribute to our off-road community, but the most important thing is we want everybody to be safe. Be sure and check out our videos, subscribe to our Nomad Nation channel, and be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
And you can email us at info@offroadnomads.net or leave us a comment.
Done.
Be safe out there.
We look forward to your comments.
Speaking of which, you can reach us at info.
We look forward to your comments.
Info
at offroadnomads.net. That's the email address.
It's the at part that gets me. Speaking of which, you can email us at info.
Do I need to come up with a shorter word than info?
No, it's the at info at
okay.
offroadnomads.net.
Okay. All right.
I got it. And you can email us info at
Today, Junior.
Wait a minute.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. We look forward to your comments.
And you can email us at info@offroadnomads.net.